All right. Don't say that I never get excited about new stuff that happens. Let me show you something really cool. So, if you take your remote, and you'll see it here right on the screen, but also here, this was the problem. The reason why I couldn't get 3D flight on helicopters is this. It can't work this way. You got to put it in this one or this one. And then you're finally able to do 3D flight on this helicopter. All right, well, not like that, obviously. That's just to show you that the thing can crash. All right, now let's do it. So lift up, here we go. And so when you go up here and then you go and you turn, then now you can do 3D flight, no problem. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. But what happens if you try to do it and then the thing is switched the wrong way? I'll show you in a second if I can get the helicopter to come back. All right, helicopter, come back. Here we go. So when I switch the switch, and here we go, one second. Switch the switch now. If I lift off the ground, and now I do the thing, now it doesn't have the power to stay like this. It keeps going down, keeps going down, keeps going down. So then I have to recover the, yeah, well, good luck with that. Just flip the switch is all you have to understand about this thing, and you're golden. Then you can go out there into the wilderness, and then if you want to, you could do a flip. Look at that. Or you could even do a flip and then a roll out of it. Look at that. That is so cool. I love it. Hopefully you guys can love it too. Yeah, I got excited about something that I can do now. I can do 3D flight. It's amazing. It's amazing the things that you can do with real flight evolution that you can't do in the real world anymore. But you can do it in real flight evolution because the government got ahead of us. It's out of control. It's 2025. But I can do this at home on the computer. Ooh, it's coming towards me. It's coming towards me hot. But look at that. I can flip it around now. Ooh, it's going down. And with that, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next episode of whatever it is that we're doing anymore. Who knows? We'll see ya.